Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum, featuring powerful 115Ah suction, cordless lightweight design, dual power modes, and up to 50 minutes of runtime, and this model is designed to deliver deep cleaning performance for cars, boats, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. This vacuum is powered by a high-speed digital motor that generates strong suction up to 115 air watts, making it capable of lifting fine dust, debris, and embedded dirt from car interiors, fabric seats, and tight corners. One of the key highlights is its cordless and portable design, which allows you to clean without being restricted by cables, making it especially convenient for car detailing and quick cleanups anywhere. It comes with two power modes, giving you a balance between maximum suction for deep cleaning and standard mode for longer battery life depending on your cleaning needs. The battery delivers up to around 50 minutes of runtime on lower settings, allowing extended cleaning sessions for full car interiors or multiple small cleaning tasks before recharging. It includes specialized attachments designed for tight spaces, upholstery, and hard surfaces, helping you reach between seats, dashboards, and corners where dirt usually collects. Another important feature is its advanced filtration system, which captures fine dust and allergens and helps release cleaner air while you clean. The lightweight handheld build makes it easy to carry and maneuver, especially in confined spaces like car interiors or stairs, without causing hand fatigue. Overall, the Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum offers a strong combination of powerful suction, portability, and versatile attachments, making it a premium option for detailed cleaning of cars and small spaces. So, if you are looking for a high-performance handheld vacuum with strong suction, long runtime, and easy car cleaning capability, the Dyson Car+Boat is definitely a great option to consider. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.